the Resident Electoral Commissioner, Inec, Ogun State, Administrative Secretary, Inec, Ogun State, officers and security personnel present here, representatives of political parties present, gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Here is the summary of results of local government area collation at state level for the 2023 presidential election in Ogun State. There are 20 local government areas, namely Abeokuta North, Abeokuta South, Ado-Odo-Oka, Ibadan North, Ibadan South, Iwekoro, Ifo, Ijebu East, Ijebu North, Ijebu North-East, Ijebu Ode, Ikene, Ibeko Afon, Bokia, Obafemi Owode, Odeda, Odogbolu, Ogun Waterside, Remo North, and finally Shagamu local government. I will now give the results of the election. First, Abeokuta North. The number of registered voters is 167,753. The number of accredited voters is 33,027. Now the results for the parties. Party A, 94. AA, 13. AAC, 54. ADC, 1285. ADP, 88. APC, 20094. APGA, APGA, 50. APM, 83. APP, 13. PP, 08. LP, 4092. NNPP, 104. NRM, 24. PDP, 5057. ERP, 12. FBP, 26. YPP, 26. ZLP, 147. For Abeokuta North, the total valid votes 31270. Rejected votes 1738. Total votes cast 33008. Next, Abeokuta South local government. Number of registered voters 242,151. Number of accredited voters 50289. Now the votes for the party. Party A, 86. Party AA, 28. AAC 89. Party ADC 587. Party ADP 115. APC 28111. APGA Abga 70. APM 1292. APP 29. PP 24. LP 8930. NNPP 137. NRL 64. PDP 7787. PRP 15. LDP 77. YPP 17. ZLP 310. Total valid votes 47768. Rejected votes 2454. And a total vote cast 50222. The next local government is Ado-Odo-Ota. Ado-Odo-Ota. Number of registered voters 390,175. Number of accredited voters 82755. Then votes according to parties. Votes received by the political party. Party A 153. AA 47. AAC 130. ADC 808. ADP 198. APC 46558. APGA Abga 145. APM 127. APP 36. BP 56. LP 17888. NNPP 76. NRM 52. PDP 10838. PRP 34. FDP 14. YPP 52. ZLP 419. Total valid votes 77831. Rejected votes 4720. Total votes cast 82551. The next local government is Ogboninuntv North. Ogboninuntv North. The number of registered voters 130063. Number of accredited voters, 33594. Then votes received by political parties. A 48, AA 17, AAC 56, ADC 491, ADP 119, APC 19053, APGA APGA 63, APM 70, APP 25, PP 25, LP 1535, NNPP 478, NRL 41, PDP 9830, PRP 21, SDP 21, YPP 30, ZLP 49. Total valid votes 31972. Rejected votes 1438. Total votes cast 33410. Next, the fifth local government is Ebano South. Number of registered voters 133001. Number of accredited voters 31192. Now votes received by the various political parties. Political party A 52, AA 22, AAC 42, ADC 342, ADP 158, APC 18471, APPA 62, APM 1876, APP 28, PP 24, LP 3126, NNPP 117, NRL 40, PDP 5012, PRP 07, SDP 14, YPP 36, ZLP 89. The total valid votes 29518, rejected votes 1672, and the total votes cast 31190. Next is Ewekoro local government. Ewekoro local government. The number of registered voters 94681. The number of accredited voters 18411. Now votes received by the various political parties. Political party A 89, AA 13, AAC 47, ADC 1247, ADP 50, APC 9778, APGA APGA 27, APL 43, APP 08, PP 13, LP 2287, NNPP 79, NRL 22, PDP 3646, PRP 63, SDP 13, YPP 10, ZLP 86. The total valid vote is 175-1. Rejected votes 876. Total votes cast 18397. Next is E4, local government. E4, local government. The number of registered voters is 261,988. Number of accredited voters 49414. Now votes received by the political party. Political party A 169, AA 44, AAC 97, ADC 2743, ADP 160. APC 26507, APGA APGA 72, APL 88, APP 20, BP 29, LP 9751, NNPP 161, NRL 34, PDP 5760, PRP 70, SDP 48, YPP 25, and finally ZLP 235. The total valid votes 46013. The rejected votes 3401. Total votes cast 49414. Next is Ijebu East local government. Ijebu East local government. Number of registered voters 77171. Number of accredited voters 19261. Now votes received by the political party. Political party A 39, AA 13, AAC 32, ADC 358, ADP 60, APC 10970, APGA APGA 31, APL 36, APP 16, BP. During this 20 2023 presidential election. I want to thank you very much for